Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make egg miso soup. First, gather your ingredients: dashi stock, miso paste, and 2 large eggs. Ensure you have fresh green onions for garnish. This simple recipe creates a comforting and flavorful dish perfect for any time. We'll start by preparing the dashi base, then move on to incorporating the miso and eggs for a delightful texture. Get ready to enjoy a truly satisfying meal. The foundation of great miso soup is a rich dashi broth. To make it, combine 4 cups of cold water with 2 pieces of dried kombu. Let the kombu soak for at least 20 minutes, then slowly bring the water to a simmer over medium-low heat. Just before it boils, remove the kombu. Next, add 4 loosely packed cups of katsuobushi, or bonito flakes, and remove from heat. Let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes, then strain the broth. Now it's time to add the key flavors. Take about 2 tablespoons of miso paste and dissolve it in a small amount of warm dashi to prevent clumping. Stir this smooth mixture back into your main broth. Next, whisk 2 large eggs in a separate bowl. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then slowly drizzle the beaten eggs into the swirling broth. This creates beautiful, delicate egg ribbons. Once the eggs are cooked to your liking, gently stir the soup to ensure everything is well combined. Remember, never boil miso soup after adding the miso, as this can diminish its delicate flavor and aroma. For a final touch, garnish your delicious egg miso soup with freshly chopped green onions. Serve it immediately in warm bowls and enjoy this comforting and nutritious meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.